Hey everyone! Big thanks to our new subscribers for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that button to stay updated with the latest and hottest car accessories on Amazon. And if you like the item featured in this video, you'll find the product link down below. Upgrade your Toyota Highlander with the most popular accessories and replacement parts. Highly rated and trusted by Amazon buyers. Let's go. WeatherTech custom bumper topper for Toyota Highlander.
Hauling any kind of equipment in and out of your vehicle can take a toll on your rear bumper. But WeatherTech's bumper topper helps shield and defend it from scratches, wear, and damage. Let's take a closer look. Bumper topper is custom fit for your vehicle's make and model and made with impact-resistant plastic. It stands up to the damage that comes with loading and unloading your cargo area. It was designed to hug the profile of your bumper for a custom fit that matches your vehicle and looks factory installed. Bumper topper also helps cover up small scuffs and blemishes to help improve the resale of your vehicle, which is much more affordable than getting it fixed at a shop. Bumper topper is incredibly easy to install and proudly made right here in America. So safeguard your rear bumper from scratches, paint chipping, and everyday wear and tear with WeatherTech's bumper topper.
2024 to 2025. Tape on side window visor deflectors for Toyota Grand Highlander. Autorder dashboard cover mat for Toyota Highlander 2020 to 2025. Liftgate Actuator. Fit for 2014 to 2019. Toyota Highlander. Power Stop Brake Kit for 2014 to 2019. Toyota Highlander. Three wipers. Replacement for 2008 to 2019. Toyota Highlander. Windshield sunshade. Umbrella for 2020 to 2025. Toyota Highlander. Cup holder insert divider. Compatible with 2014 to 2019 Toyota Highlander.
As you can see, the cup holder in my 2016 Toyota Highlander is huge. I was having a major issue with my bottles and cups rolling around and spilling in this. So I hopped on Amazon and found this cup holder insert. It just pops into place, just like the original piece that came from the factory, which was missing when I bought this car. And it makes the cup holders a little bit smaller to where things will fit, but also larger cups still fit. And it has the two options for larger or smaller cups, and it keeps everything in place really nicely, and it has been a lifesaver.
Cargo liner for 2025-2024. Grand Highlander accessories. Toyota. Replaceable element oil filter for Toyota Highlander, 2008 to 2023. Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.